Hey guys, Wesley J. Rich, 265 here, and in today's video I'm dying. I'm falling out of my chair. I was stranded outside in the hot desert weather of Indiana. I need water to fuel. Hopefully I can find a perfectly placed winter canister hidden within the wood piles. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Oh no, Ravagers, run. Oh no. Don't hurt me. Don't. Oh, they just want to play. I need water. 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 Wash my feet. Maybe the creature would like some water. Hello, creature. I offer you water. How do I... Oh, yes. Drink. Yes, my comrade. Together we will rule worlds. One drink of water at a time. Look at that beast with its silky furs. It senses danger. Oh no. No, my water, where's the cap? Where did it go? There it is. Maybe an ancient fire dance will solve. Someone was looking at me through the window. Ooga chaka, ooga chaka, ooga ooga, chaka chaka.